क्या बिग बॉस में हिना खान के वीडियो को किया गया है एडिट? आसिम सिड के झगड़े पर क्या कहा हिना ने? क्या आसिम नहीं कोई और है हिना के फेवरेट कंटेस्टेंट? क्या सिद्धार्थ को टॉन्ट कर रही है हिना खान? अपने लाइव वीडियो में हिना ने किया खुलासा। तो जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं कि हिना खान जब शो में मेहमान बनकर आई थी, तब स्टेज पर सलमान के साथ हिना ने अपने फेवरेट कंटेस्टेंट के बारे में बताया था। पर उनका ये कहना था, उन्होंने 4 कंटेस्टेंट का नाम लिया था, पर बिग बॉस ने सिर्फ आसिम का नाम शो पर बताया और बाकी का एडिट कर दिया। अपने लाइव वीडियो में हिना ने ये क्लियर किया कि आखिर हुआ क्या था।
I have no favorites, guys. I've been very, very clear. Yeah, oh, by the way, I had to tell you guys something. So the day we went, I think for the song launch, not for the launch, for the promotions of Ranjana, we were in Big Boss and we were asked on stage that who do you think will go into the finals and who's doing well. So I don't remember. I think Pri took a couple of names and I took 4 names, which I feel, I mean, I can be wrong, but I feel would be in top 4. So it was Siddharth, Asim, Shanaz and Paras. And I don't know, it was edited and again, as I always say, and only the Asim's part was shown. He's playing well and rest of them are equally playing well. But for me, it's Sid, Asim, Shanaz and Paras. I see them in top 4. So I'd taken 4 names, by the way, and I don't know why did they only show me taking Asim's name and Preet as well, and for that matter even Salman. Well, that I don't know what channel is up to and what they are looking at, but yeah, for me it's these 4 and they're really doing well, they're playing well. Jessie bhi, jo bhi karke, they're playing well.
वही बातों ही बातों में हिना ने सिद्धार्थ के झगड़े लड़ाई के बारे में भी कुछ ऐसे बातें की जिसे सुन के आप भी शॉक हो जाएंगे। आइए दिखाते हैं आपको।
I usually don't like to talk about Big Boss, but since you guys are asking so many questions, all I would like to say is please don't spread so much of hate. It's just a show, guys. It's just a show. It'll get over in next 1.5 months. But you all make it like you just blow it out of proportion. ज़रूरत ही नहीं है जिस चीज़ की. Support your favorites. Even if somebody says something, it's not necessary to reply. I think I'm telling you this from my own experience. It is not necessary that you have to react. Even if anyone, any XYZ person is saying anything about your favorite, it's not necessary to react. Keep supporting your favorites and vote for them. Ask for votes. Do whatever possible you can. But don't spread so much hate, yaar. Don't troll the person so much. ऐसा ना हो बाहर निकल के. It's very difficult. It's very difficult. I'm telling from my own experience, and not necessarily everybody is as strong as maybe I am or somebody else is. कोई वीक भी हो सकता है. Maybe the person comes out and is not able to take it, is not able to take so much hatred, so much of trolling. Why? I don't think it's required. And this goes for everybody, with all due respect. Everybody. Celebs, non-celebs. Why to be judgmental? Why to, it is called a reality show, but it is actually not a reality show. I mean, we all know how it works. We all know it. But we still troll. We are still judgmental. Why? Had we been watching it 24 hours non-stop, had they been telecasting it 24 hours a day, and we are able to watch every bit of it about every contestant, then you give your judgment, then you pass comments and this name calling and all, my God. It's very depressing. It's very depressing. We hardly see, we see one, they show us the whole activity of the entire day in 1 hour. जरूरी नहीं है जो बुरा है वो बुरा है, जो अच्छा है वो अच्छा है, और जो अच्छा नहीं है, जिसको अच्छा नहीं दिखा रहे हैं, वो अच्छा नहीं है. हर बात के कितनी मीनिंग्स होते हैं. So I don't think y'all should react and pass judgments and be so judgmental. Just watch it, feel entertained. I also don't like few things when I watch the episodes and I'm like, yaar, ye nahi karna chahiye tha. But as I said, after it's over, I'm like, maybe the other side they haven't shown only. Then what? So please don't be so judgmental and judge people like that. And it's not the outside world. It is called a reality show, but it is not a reality show. It is a very well edited show. Whoever, and I don't blame the makers too. उनके लिए जो जिस लाइट में वर्क कर रहा है वो उसको उस लाइट में दिखाएंगे because it's working for them. Had I been or somebody else been at their position, at such a position, we also perhaps or may not have done the same. Mostly would have, because we are running a channel, we are running a network, we are running a show, a big, for that matter, biggest reality show of Indian television. So you don't have to blame anybody. Let them do whatever they want to, whoever they want to show in whatever light. But you guys be smart enough to understand and don't judge people. Support your favorites. Somebody has to win, somebody has to lose. The journey is after the show. Trust me.
अब ये तो क्लियर हो गया कि बिग बॉस की बातें बिग बॉस ही जाने. शो में किसे हीरो बनाना है किसे जीरो, ये तो वही जाने. आपके हिसाब से कौन हिट कौन फ्लॉप, हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताएं. बिग बॉस से जुड़ी सारी ताज़ा तरीन खबरों के लिए देखते रहे टेली मसाला.